Okay, right here where it says this, it should say lab volt mill. And if it doesn't, drop this down to where it does. And there's a lot of crap here, so make sure you say the one that says lab volt mill. It should say lab volt mill. Okay? Right here where it says program number, it needs to be a 1. I don't know why it says it has to have something with a number in it. Don't ask me why. It does. Okay, right here, the very first line should say no. Allow helical move, say no.
What now? Can you say that again?
Allow helical moves, no.
Okay.
Okay, then all you gotta do is hit post. Now, this is where it's gonna ask you where you wanna save it and what you wanna save it. So you can save this anything you want. I would put it in the exact same folder that your base is in. It's gonna default somewhere else. So more than likely, you're gonna have to go over here to your computer section, and you're going to have to click probably your name, and then save it wherever you want. Mine are all saved on a different hard drive, which is fine, but mine would be saved
That's a lot of junk.
right there, the puzzle cutout. So I named it puzzle cutout and saved it. So you need to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and save it as that. You won't get this button. So when you hit save and it starts saving it, after a couple seconds you should get something that pops up like this. It should have the file name where it was saved and a bunch of numbers. If these numbers aren't like inches like this and they are numbers like 0 to like 100, then you're in millimeters and you're wrong. So we got to redo it again. But they should be small numbers from like 0 to like 4 or 7 inches. I mean, as you scroll down, it's going to be. But there are 108 lines of code that it just generated for you. Or you can type it in by hand. Which one do you want to do?
Type it in by hand.
Okay, I can show you.
Sweet.
That's difficult.
That,
Can you show me how to...
the biggest one I've done, I think, is like 50,000 lines of code.
Yeah.
So
For what?
when you start doing curved surfaces up and down like this,
Oh.
you get a lot.
Each one takes 3 lines per
So,
code.
okay, you are now finished with that file. Once you save that file will need to be on your H drive. And again, it has to be on your H drive, or we got to put it on a flash drive, because you're going to take this file. We're going to go back to that computer, and then we'll start cutting things out.
So what you're saying is bring a flash drive?
Huh?
What you're saying is bring a flash drive.
If you have a flash drive, bring it. If not, I have the 2 that we use for the 3D printing. But if you put it on your H drive, you can simply log into that computer and still open it. So when you hit save, and you clicked on the one that has your name and then the H at the end, when you log into your computer, it'll be back there. So that's the easiest way to do it. Okay, for those that follow along, did you get your code? You good?
Yeah.
You guys good? Okay. The other one's over there we got lost. Okay, so tomorrow we'll have one of you start cutting. You can rock, paper, scissors for who it is.
I'm good.